Good afternoon, this is the guardianship matter of case number G22056584M. I'd like you to have your appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge Raeshann Canady, appearing on behalf of Marcus Browers. My bar number is 16476, and we're here for.
Thank you, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Marjorie Guymon, 4983, appearing on behalf of the Guardian.
All right, thank you. And then we also have Mr. Fury, your name and your title for the record.
My name is Scott Fury. I'm with American National Insurance Company. I have been part of this process from the beginning, so any help I can have, just let me know.
All right, thank you so much. We're here today. We have a status check. We just needed proof of the blocked account. And last time we were here, Ms. Guymon, I know you were going to contact Merrill Lynch, and then I did see the stipulation come through. It looks like they needed some type of order, which you have provided, and so I just needed just the proof of that blocked account, and I think that's what we were waiting for. So what can you report?
Yes, Your Honor. I've been doing this for 30 years and have never had a more difficult time getting a proof of a blocked account. So I have been emailing back and forth with the new representative over at Merrill Lynch, and he's the one that gave me the language that I then put in the stipulation and order, and Mr. Brower signed off on, and Your Honor entered the order, and I sent that over. And then today, Mr. Leon with Merrill Lynch advised me that they could not do what we were asking them to do. So that's why Mr. Fury is here. He's represented to me this morning that there's a difference between Merrill Lynch and Merrill, which I guess Merrill is Bank of America. Merrill Lynch is the investment side, which I wish that we all would have been advised of earlier, and we wouldn't have been trying to open a blocked high interest yield savings account with Merrill Lynch. We do it with Merrill. Unfortunately, the order that I have references Merrill Lynch.
Right.
So my proposal is that I submit an amended order with Blackson's signature. I'm happy to send it over to Ms. Canady if that works. Removing the name of the institution and just simply saying high interest savings account. Then we will turn around and submit it to Mr. Fury's contact, so long as they can beat the interest rate that I found at CIT Bank today, and spoke to a representative who says they can open an account with an interest rate of 5.05%. That seems to be pretty high. There are some other banks that I researched, but I'm not as familiar with them, so I'm not as comfortable with them. But CIT Bank is a division of First Citizens Bank, and is FDIC and so on. So if Ms. Canady is in agreement with that, Your Honor is in agreement with that, I can revise our order and remove the name of the institution, circulate that and upload it, and hopefully get this in a blocked high interest bearing savings account.
All right, and Ms. Canady, I know you're sitting in for Mr. Browers today. I don't know if you have any objection to proceeding on that route, or do you have anything you want to add?
No objection. Once the order is prepared, though, Attorney Guymon, could you just forward it to Marcus as opposed to me if you needed to sign off on it or anything?
Absolutely. I'll get that done this afternoon.
Okay, so if you want to go ahead and do an amended stipulation, Ms. Guymon, we'll get that signed. How long, I'm going to put this over for another status check. How long do you anticipate, or maybe Mr. Fury, maybe you could even give the court some indication how long you would need to get that done?
Yeah, this has been an interesting one because of basically how odd it is, the situation. It's very odd to get a life insurance policy in the first place. It's even odder to have a death benefit going to a child of his age. So forgive us for the time frame, but a lot of people, this is a very rare kind of case. So I mean, give us at least a couple of weeks. That should be enough, hopefully. It's ridiculous how long this has been taking, but from the beginning, when I went in to Merrill Lynch and talked to the guy with, just as a confidant, just talking, he specifically told us, oh, that's no problem getting that blocked account. And that was over a couple months ago, so.
And Jeff, there's a March 7th final accounting date, if that's still on, would that be enough time for the?
Yeah, that should be plenty.
Would that be enough time? So what we'll do is thank you, Ms. Candy, for pointing that out. That is our first annual accounting date. We'll just have all of this continued over to the March 7th date, so we can address it all at the same time, save you guys from coming back twice.
That'd be great. Thank you so much.
All right.
Wonderful. Thank you.
All
I
right, thank you,
appreciate your
Ms.
patience.
Guymon. Thank you, Ms. Candy. Thank you, Mr. Fury.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Jeff, thanks, Curtis, have a good afternoon.
Have a great afternoon.